So now that you know a lot about hair systems, about LaVivid, about some of the things that you're going to encounter, now it's time to talk about how to pick exactly the right hair system for you. Make no mistake about it, there's a lot of different factors that you've got to weigh out to figure out what's going to give you the best performance for you. There is going to be trade-offs no matter what you choose. There's going to be things that are not as good, things that are a little bit better, but you really have to figure out what's right for you. So the question is, how do you actually go about deciding these factors? This video is going to be extremely dense. Please take notes and watch it again if you have it, because we're going to go through a lot of information. So first up, let's talk about the breathability, believability, durability scale. This should give you a general starting point for deciding what it is that you actually want. Now, this is actually going to play into a lot of the factors that we are going to talk about in this section. But before we even talk about that, it's really important that you understand this. Your hair system has to match your lifestyle. If it does not match your lifestyle, it is going to be a lot harder to get by without a hair system. My first hair system I got was a poly thin skin. It was very believable looking, and it was amazing. I loved it. However, here's the kicker. I work out very, very vigorously every single day. I do something called CrossFit, which is high intensity interval training, meaning that I am sweating a lot. I'm running, I'm jumping, I am climbing ropes, I'm lifting normal weights, all this stuff, but I'm doing it at a very, very fast pace. And I live in Florida, which is very, very hot and humid. A thin skin poly does not breathe, meaning that whenever I'd work out, it was very uncomfortable. It was itchy. It was hot. I did not enjoy it. And I actually wound up giving up on hair systems at first because I thought it was impossible for me to continue my lifestyle while also wearing a hair system. I later learned on that's not the case and that there were other options out there that were much better. And now I've never had a problem ever since. So that's why this part is so important for you.